Yo, Hypebeast dead. I'm back. So after I looked at my PlayStation 5 box and thought about selling it on eBay, that didn't last long. Turn that fan off. So I'll show you guys some of the stuff that's in here. Open it, so we're gonna look at it together, I guess. You know, that's what friends do, because we're friends. Anyway, so when you open it, you get a controller. Whoo! Definitely feels premium. Definitely feels nice and gully. Yeah, it feels like a step up from the PS4 controller, which is my last system that I had. PS4, I also had an Xbox, but I didn't get the new generation. Looks like you get a USB. Got the nice new futuristic USB-C. I'm assuming that's for the controller. Then you get a power cable, always good. You get a quick start guide. Probably actually gonna read that. And a safety guide. Basically, don't go swimming while, playing PlayStation 5. You should be safe. Now, let's actually see what the safety guide says. Because, all right. So the safety guide has stuff on, just radio waves, magnets, medical devices. Interesting. They have a memory backup battery. Huh. Okay. A lot of safety rules, wireless control use, you don't want to throw it at people. Definitely keep all hands and limbs inside the ride. But definitely safety features. We also get, I'm assuming this is a stand. You get a stand. Bam. You can stand. We'll figure that out. I'm gonna pull out the PlayStation and I'm gonna set it up and be done. HDMI. This is like the high value HDMI though, so this is rare. I'm gonna plug this on my monitor. All right, y'all. So I haven't even really been using my monitor with my computer because I've been having a lot of issues with my computer, and I've been doing research, and I found out that my monitor outputting was doing some weird stuff to the computer, making it just work super slow, bro. So I had to stop using the monitor. So I just been laptop shorty, but that's how it goes sometimes. So when you get your PS5, you see, it's in there. You just pull it out. I just want you guys to know it feels premium, like the box and shit. It feels like you don't want to recycle it. You want to keep it, but I don't know. I might recycle it or I might keep. You also get a card for Horizon. The code is under this thing, so if you got X-ray vision, you should be able to see that. All right. Let's put this. All right. So I'm gonna give you guys very unbiased first look energy. Get ready. Let's put the mask on. All right. Boom. PlayStation 5. First, I wish I had the PlayStation 4 down here. I'm in my basement. I took it upstairs. Or actually, yeah, I took it upstairs. I gave it to my kids. I don't know if I took it upstairs or if my son took it upstairs, but it's upstairs basically. And just so I could see the difference. This thing is massive. It's big as hell. It looks dope. I mean, I don't know how to feel about it. I've waited so long. It's like when you get older and you have money and you could buy shit and stuff you want, you have to wait for. It feels weird. Like I'm waiting for the SP 1200, the Rossum, and I bought that mess so long ago. So yeah, and then this one, I used to go to stores trying to buy it, trying to get it for a long time. to the point where I didn't even care. I was like, PlayStation 5, if I get one, I get one. So when I got the email from Sony, like, hey, bro, like we got the PlayStation 5s, you need to pull up and swappity swap. So that's what I did. I pulled up on the website, and I swappity swap, and I got what I needed. So now I'm in the PlayStation again. Yo, Hypebeast still making beats, man. I got a beat over there on the MPC key right now that was kind of 5.5. The MPC key make me want to be like Scott Storch. I ain't gonna lie. Scott Storch used to be my favorite producer. So, like, that's kind of crazy, man. Make me want to be like Scott Storch for real, though. So I'm gonna put this box up somehow. White box back in the main box and the other box back in the other box. But yeah, first thoughts, this shit's big as hell. It looks kind of awkward. It looks like architecture, if that makes sense. It looks like a building in downtown LA, and you guys know that spot. But yeah, I got my PlayStation. I'm about to set it up on my monitor. I run an Acer monitor. I saw that what's it called? Sony just dropped basically a monitor and a new headphones. So yeah, Sony, if somebody work with Sony and they see this, man, you see the Hypebeast dad just got his shit and he put it in on YouTube, baby. Hook a brother up. I'm that next just tech, hip hop, beats, drum machines, superstar on YouTube. And you guys get to be on the ground floor. You get to say that, hey, I subscribed to this guy before he made 1,000. And hopefully sooner or later I'll make 1,000. I feel like it's coming, brother. Anyway, y'all stay blessed. I'm gonna go connect this thing. Just wanted to show y'all what you get when you get a box. Yeah, it's not overwhelming. I feel like because I'm such an adult and have like real life shit, like go to work and stuff, PlayStation, it's more utilitarian than anything. It's like I just like having fun. Like I was playing games on the Switch for a long time until my kids just jacked my Switch. We had 2 Switches. They had theirs and they jacked mine. So hey, watch your kids. They will jack your Switch. It's a real thing. It happens every day. So many parents are just losing out on their Switches and their kids are just coming up and just running around and just having hella Switches. And then the parents like, dude, I just want to play like I want to play like Breath of the Wild on the Switch and I can't because my kid took it. That's the type of stuff I deal with. Hypebeast dad. Yeah. But I'm about to be Ninja dad. Holla. Let's go set this up. Dun, dun, dun.